So you are installing fork seals and you don't have a driver. You want this kind of European 50mm outer diameter, and this is 25 or so on the inside. And if you take this part here, you can see this angle. It's good because it goes to the outside of the seal and it doesn't damage the lip. So you basically need to saw it here, maybe here, and then split it in two ways. Try that one. Maybe not the best angle, but whatever. The length is like not too long, but you get this kind of thing, and we need to split it. If I'm not mistaken, it needs to be split a little bit more. So I take a little bit off here. All the deepers. I had this kind of tool, but it's been a couple of years since maybe even 10 years since I changed any fork seals, so I've lost it. It's not totally flat now. These edges are a little bit high. Doing plastic work with knife is the best way to cut yourself, because plastic is very sort of, first it doesn't go, and then when it goes fast. Tie it down here. Can't recall, I used to use 2 of these. Good use of glove. Then you can sort of rotate it. the sound changed. So let's take this off. Or you're gonna mess up something. And take this off. So. Put it there. Then you take this, and as you see, this goes perfectly over the lip. And then you can try. Can you like drive it without these? But I don't think so. You need at least one of these. I may need that other one also, but I'm gonna try because I'm lazy. Because this is quite soft plastic, it usually doesn't. Now it's in. Now it doesn't harm the chrome. I used a little bit tape here to keep this seal ring here and the dust seal. Also with these seals, this seal lip ring, this spring, it sort of doesn't want to fit in with this lock ring. So that's why I've lifted it up. So I can try to put the lock ring in. And now it sort of locked it right up. So it's there. If you have a hard time to putting this on, it's very likely the seal is not in correctly. Not sure, is it visible? But this has very little room, this spring lip. That's why I try to put it some other way. I can put it first and then try to put back this seal lip here. It's like has almost no room to be there. I never had it this tight. Maybe it's this specific fork. But now it's there. And then just the dust seal there. The dust seal is usually very easy to put on. we have it.